Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Attio CRM, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you delete or remove an admin or a team member from your Attio account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to remove an admin in your Attio CRM anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you probably work with various contractors or assistants, and sometimes they go their own way, so you need to remove access to your Attio CRM. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in the Attio dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Attio account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to remove an admin, here on the top left, you're going to click on your workspace. Once you do that, you'll see a drop-down menu, and you want to click on account settings. Once you do that, you're going to see this gray menu off to the left, and you want to click here on members and teams. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see all the admins and team members you have in your account. And in order to remove an admin, off to the right of their name, you're going to click on these three dots, and then you're going to go ahead and click the red button to remove them as an admin. Next, you're going to get this pop-up. Are you sure you want to go ahead and remove this admin from your Attio CRM? Go ahead and click the red button to continue. All right, quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see that admin has been removed from my Attio CRM, so they no longer have access unless I come back in here and re-invite them. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to delete or remove an admin or a team member from your Attio CRM, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.